The phrase "have foot and mouth disease" is an idiom in the English language that is used to describe a situation in which someone has said or done something embarrassing, inappropriate, or tactless, usually in a social or conversational context. When someone is said to have foot and mouth disease, it implies that they have made a verbal blunder, often unintentionally, and now find themselves in an awkward or uncomfortable position. The origin of this idiom is not definitively known, but it likely emerged from the imagery of someone literally putting their foot into their mouth, which is a physically awkward and impossible act. This figurative expression highlights the idea that the individual has figuratively inserted their own foot into their mouth by saying something that they regret. Having foot and mouth disease is typically used humorously or colloquially to describe situations where social interactions have taken an embarrassing turn. It underscores the notion that the person in question has made a verbal mistake or faux pas, which may lead to social discomfort or misunderstanding. The phrase can be applied to a variety of situations, from casual conversations with friends to more formal settings like professional meetings or public speeches. In any context, it indicates that the person has unintentionally misspoken or made an inappropriate remark. Common examples include inadvertently insulting someone, making an off-color joke, or revealing sensitive information that was not meant to be disclosed. When someone is accused of having foot and mouth disease, it often carries a sense of sympathy or understanding, recognizing that verbal mistakes are a part of human communication. It is not intended to be overly critical, but rather to acknowledge the occasional awkwardness or lack of tact that can occur in social interactions. Despite its humorous connotations, the phrase can also highlight the importance of effective communication and social awareness. It serves as a reminder to be mindful of one's words, especially in sensitive or formal situations, to avoid unintentional offense or embarrassment. In some cases, individuals may use variations of the phrase, such as putting one's foot in one's mouth or foot and mouth syndrome, to convey the same idea of making verbal blunders. These variations emphasize the awkwardness and regret associated with such moments. In conclusion, having foot and mouth disease is an idiomatic expression used to describe situations where someone has made a verbal mistake or spoken inappropriately, often leading to embarrassment or discomfort. It underscores the occasional awkwardness of human communication and serves as a reminder to be mindful of one's words in social interactions. While it is usually used in a lighthearted or humorous manner, it also highlights the importance of effective and considerate communication.